happy Friday. It's Chelsea here at Messermeister Gather Kitchen for Cocktail Hour. We actually did a lot of fun things this week in this kitchen other than Cocktail Hour. Can you believe it? But today we are going to do a Cold Brew Negroni. I know, this sounds a little wild, but we were thinking, what can you mix with Kalhua that isn't a White Russian? So we got a Cold Brew Negroni to get you fired up on Friday. Here we go. Half an ounce Campari. It's time to party. Half an ounce Kalhua. Ready to party. Half an ounce sherry. It's a little bit sweet, kind of tastes like a port. I had a swig, I'm not gonna lie, but it was good. 1 ounce cold brew. Put some ice. It's Friday. Here comes the cold brew. I'm a singer, a mixologist, a knife maker. I'll do all of it. Let's do it. Oh, and a drinker. A drinker, a thinker, and a maker. Now I'm a poet, and I just didn't know it. All right, big ice cube. Oh. Check out our beautiful etch on our custom run handle. Good idea for Mother's Day coming up, May 12th. Oh, it's super thin. Put that on the floater. That's good. Oh, I love it. Happy Friday. See you next week.